So we'll quickly review module number 9, week 5. So week 5, the last two modules, 9 and 10, are going to be pretty laid back. Especially 10 will be quite a bit more laid back. But so module number 9, we're going over chapter 14. So you're going to read that. There's no lecture videos. Take the chapter 14 quiz, that's below. Edpuzzle video quiz on American architect Frank Lloyd Wright. That'll be below, or the link to that is below. It's a 45-minute documentary, so it's a little bit of a different Edpuzzle than what we're used to. It's actually, I'm quizzing you on the documentary. Chapter 15, earliest art to the Bronze Age. No lecture videos, so read your book carefully. Take the chapter 15 quiz below by July 7th before 11:30 p.m. And then there's another Edpuzzle video quiz on the prehistoric Venus figurines. Pretty interesting stuff, really. So here's the 14 PowerPoint, the chapter 14 quiz, the Edpuzzle video quiz on Frank Lloyd Wright. He's an architect from America. He's very famous. He's a good person to learn about if we're going over architecture. This is a decent documentary. I think it's pretty interesting, and you learn quite a bit about his work if you watch it. Chapter 15 PowerPoint, quiz for chapter 15. And then here's that Edpuzzle. This is about a 10-minute at the most video quiz in Edpuzzle on prehistoric Venus figurines, which is actually pretty interesting to learn about. So that is it for module number 9, July 5th through the 7th.